Operation Digital Pioneer, Mission 2, Digital Marketing Strategy. So this is the one where we actually produce a digital marketing strategy based on the data that we collected in Mission 1. This is exciting because now that we know where we have strengths and weaknesses, now we can enhance our strengths and eliminate our weaknesses. We start by preliminary digital marketing projections. Where is our money going to come from? Now that we know where we're not making money and we are making money, now we can put that into a strategy and prioritize the best digital marketing channels for your company. Search Titans will help by doing the first few, and then the students will actually continue by finishing off the entire projections sheet using Excel sheets and templates that are in other videos that we've prepared to show you in other videos. We've also prepared a project plan to explain all of this. Advanced keyword research speaks for itself. We do pay-per-click and SEO keyword research, which also helps us analyze our consumers and their intent to purchase or not to purchase a service or a product. After that, we move into consumer requirements assessment. What? Consumer requirements assessment? What's that? Well, are your customers particularly happy with your services and products? What about your competitors? How do they feel about your competitors? Well, your consumers have specific requirements that you need to meet in order to achieve your target goals. We need to know what those are, and so we have an Excel sheet and a checklist that allows you to fairly grade your own company's customer requirements assessment and your competitors as well. Then we move into round 2 of CRO, which is conversion rate optimization. And now that we know what your conversion rate was, now this is really about strategizing how to improve your conversion rate. So let's make a strategy for that. Let's take the low-hanging fruit, and then we'll work on the more advanced stuff a little later. After that, we have call to actions and writing and messaging. So this is where we write ads, we create landing pages, we talk about content development, all of these things comes into this, and we create a nice long content brief or a content strategy, which might take us months or even years to actually produce. We'll have to establish a budget for that, and so on and so forth. Following that, we talk about the product and service descriptions, because the more you describe your services, the more of an expert you seem. So instead of writing all these things down, we have a conversation, and we entice you to speak about a specific product or service, and we simply record the message. We record the conversation. We then give that to a copywriter who transcribes the entire conversation into text. Did you know that a human being on average will speak 100 to 150 words per minute? It's crazy. That's a lot of content. In 5 minutes, you can have more words on a page than most of your competitors will ever have. And that's the way that we teach you how to create content quickly and efficiently for your products and services. We help you do the first 2 or 3 products and services, and then you can continue on your own. Finally, we do competitor advantage analysis. We compare all of these things for you, and we compare them to your top 3 competitors to see where you stand in the market. And all of this develops and gives us a priority list. This is more important than this, that's more important than that, etc., etc., etc. And then we have a digital marketing strategy that we can lend into implementation.